Welcome to Moto-Everything. Today, we're installing these carbon fiber heel guards. Stay tuned to see how it's done. Hey, how's it going, guys? Sometimes I try to script these videos, but in the end, it doesn't happen that well. So I'm here to show you guys how to install these heel guards. Yes, they're called heel guards, and they are installed at the back end of your foot pegs. Now these are going to be a custom upgrade in carbon fiber, and they're going to look pretty dope, but guess what? We don't even know how they go because they don't come with instructions. And because of that, we're actually testing out here. How the heck do they go on? Do they go on the top as a cover? Do they go solo dolo? And we actually found in the box these like Teflon or plastic style spacers. So we're going to figure out which side they go on, and we're just going to do this on the fly because something that comes without instructions, we're going to have to go to the manual regardless. So make sure you guys always refer back to your owner's manual and your bike model, and you should have all the answers there. Now we're going to use this, I believe this side is 5 or 4 millimeter, and the other side is going to be like a 6 millimeter hex screw. So we're going to put it on here, and we actually think this is how it goes, pretty much like a cover, but in reality it does not go that way. I'm going to show you here real quick. Now, don't go ahead and do like I did. I just assumed this is how it went, and to me it made a lot of sense. So I put the screws in there, or should I say the spacers, but in reality, that's not how it goes. As you can see here on this freeze frame, I thought the spacers went in between the carbon fiber part and the plastic and the metal part of the heel guard, but it doesn't go that way. And actually the screws are a lot tougher to put on, but let's go ahead and rewind that and actually. Now this is the correct way. You want to take the spacers and put them right behind the screw. Now on the left side or driver's side is going to take the smaller spacers, and on the opposite side, you'll see here in a few, it'll take the larger spacers because of the brake cylinder. So we're going to go ahead and tighten it down here. Once again, this side is done with a 5 millimeter or 4 millimeter hex screw, I believe. The other side is a 6. So you want to tighten them down parallel. That way it's not breaking into the carbon fiber part. But on the passenger side or right side, we did have to make a slight modification, and we used this step-up drill in order to make the holes a little bit better and bigger, shall I say. And because it's carbon fiber, it is real easy to make the holes a lot bigger, and we were able to stick in those screws. Now remember, these heel guards are for a Ninja 400, but surprisingly they will fit the Ninja 500 with ease, which is why I think those holes were a lot smaller, because on the 400 for the brake master here, it's actually a lot smaller, the screws. And on this side, we're going to grab that brake lever and we're going to try to find those holes. Because honestly, they are so tough to find, but you want to grab that brake lever, push it up or down so you can find the holes on the cylinder, and it should be easy peasy lemon squeezy. So on this passenger side or right side, you want to put the spacers that are larger in between the heel guard and then the actual footrest itself mount, or the footrest mount, and then just tighten. Don't torque it down too much. And as you can see, they are sturdy. They look amazing. And compared to the stock version, which I actually painted, and it's come like scratched and unpainted many times, it's an actual upgrade that's way better than stock. It doesn't scratch easy, it holds its shine, and it's very durable. And did I mention it's lightweight as well? And there you have it. They look amazing. This is probably after 4 to 5 rides, and they are still unscratched. You can see it there, guys. They look amazing. Now, if this video helped you upgrade or modify your motorcycle, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys hit that bell notification, and make sure you guys comment so I know you're watching the videos. And make sure you guys are sharing with your friends. I want to thank you guys for watching this video here at Moto-Everything, your channel for motorcycle everything. I'll catch you guys on the next one.